Good luck trying to sleep, mate. Oh. I can't tell whether it's peaceful watching them and listening to them or the opposite. Just this cacophony. The sound. Couple stealing a bit of a moment here. Yeah, it's lovely though, just to be right in the middle of it. Like everywhere else in the zoo, you sort of everything's fenced in. But here in this bird sanctuary, we can walk amongst them. Very cool. Some gorgeous colours, some of these birds. Oh, there's a Brunswick pigeon. See them on our walks almost every day. Don't imagine you're too happy being stuck in here, mate. I've got to say, I do love its wheel. That is very cool. Another one of the doves, a couple of doves over here, and pigeons, sorry. Yeah, it's really well done. Oh, you're talking to me, mate, sorry. Couple of cockies. Oh, yeah, all right. What do you think, folks? Nice? So I was just asking myself, is it relaxing listening to them?
Yeah.
Or is it sort of like everyone's, you know, that cacophony of noise? Is it the opposite?
Excepting maybe the cockatiels or whatever they're called up there. They're very loud and antisocial. They seem reasonably content, don't they, the birds? I mean, yeah, it's a good space.
And it's social, I guess. And they're social birds, these ones, aren't they? So, yeah, it is really well done. They're certainly not bothered. I guess they're so used to having people through here all the time by our presence at all. But this wheel now. Come on, let's go. It's like an amusement park ride. Now, what's Juju filming over there? She's filming the smaller birds. Yeah, it's been a nice visit to the zoo today. got Zach and Danira down, and Danira really wanted to check out the zoo, so that's what we've done. I must confess I'm very much anti-zoo, and there's part of me that feels very uneasy. Whoa! Whoa! They gone nuts! They gone nuts! Bit of exercise. It's like when after you've been sitting for an hour and your watch says get up after for exercise. Bro, that was random. But I mean, yeah, the zoo seems to be really well kept and very sort of old-fashioned, a bit rustic. Feels like it's just walking onto a farm, really, a lot of it. But yeah, I mean, I've got lots of concerns. So probably now's not the time to go into them. But just great to have Zach and Danira down, and something different to Drew and I. It's not something that we would have ever thought to do. So yeah, it's been well worth coming out. Meanwhile, our friends here. Leave them to do what they do. We'll see you on the trail, folks.